Hey everybody, it's Robin and welcome to my channel. Today on the Robin's Nest, we are going to be making this gorgeous 3-tier unicorn cake, and it's going to have rainbows and flowers and stars and all the pretty things. It's going to be magical, so let's get into it. So for today's cake, I've baked up 3 8-inch, 3 6-inch, and 3 4-inch vanilla cakes. And we're going to begin by getting those layers leveled out using our cake leveler. Then we're going to start stacking, filling, and chilling our cakes. So before you stack and fill your cake, you're going to want to attach your first cake layer to your cake board. And I've already done this using a little bit of buttercream. Then you're going to take your first color of choice. And you're just going to put a little dollop on top here. Then we're going to spread it out using our offset spatula. And you're going to repeat this step with each one of your layers on all 3 of your tiers. And once you're completely finished, we're going to pop them into the fridge for a few minutes to set our icing layer. So when we're working on our cake layer later, our icing layers don't shift around. So while we're waiting for our icing layers to set, we're going to start working on some of our fondant decorations. Now, because they need a little bit extra time to dry, we're going to start with our unicorn's cute little ears and his little golden horn. So now that we've finished with our unicorn decorations, we can set these aside to dry and start icing our cakes. So for our 2 bottom tiers, we're going to be applying a gradient of rainbow colors, starting with blue at the bottom and working all the way to the top with yellow. And then our final tier on the top is going to be a little white one, and that's going to be our unicorn. So I'm going to start with some blue at the bottom, and I'm going to work my way up, and then we're going to use our bench scraper to smooth everything out. Okay, so we finished icing our tiers and I set them in the fridge to chill for a little bit while we work on the rest of our fondant decorations. So I still have a rainbow to make for my bottom tier. Then I'm going to make some golden stars, a few more flowers to go with the ones that I already made in advance, and we're also going to do a little happy birthday banner for the front of our cake. Alright, we're almost done. As you can see, I've finished with all my fondant decorations. All we have left to do is stack our cake with some supports and then add all our finishing touches. So I'm going to go grab our cakes and we're going to get to stacking. Okay, so we finished stacking our cakes and I put some supports in the bottom tier, so it should be nice and sturdy now. All we have left to do is add all our decorations. So I'm going to get that started and I'll show you what it looks like when I'm all done. Well, here it is, guys, my magical 3-tiered rainbow unicorn cake, and I'm in love with it. I think it looks great, and I think I'm falling more and more in love with this ombre effect every time I do it. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section down below. And if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you don't miss any new uploads. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.